Welcome students, myself Sandeep Godai. I am your new physics teacher. Okay, so in your half-yearly syllabus, already 4 chapters are completed. Now, today we will discuss about our fifth chapter, which is simple machine. Okay, so before discussing the chapter, at first we have to know about some quantity, at least two quantity. First one is work done, and the second one is energy. So the first question is, what is work done? Okay, so in generally in our daily life we frequently use the term work done. Okay, with some activities like studying, reading, eating, that is work done in generally we say, but that is not work done in physics. Okay, in physics actually, to understand the quantity work done, we have taken a body whose mass is m and which is at point a, and a force is applied to the body in the direction which is f. After applying the force F, the body is displaced by a distance s and body is reached at a point B. Okay. Now in this case, after applying the force F, body is displaced by distance s. So in this case, we say work is said to be done and the magnitude of work is equal to force into distance. This is the mathematical expression of work done. Okay, so this is the simple concept of work done. So if we push a wall but the wall is not displaced, then we said there is no work done. Okay, and now we have to know what is energy. Basically, this is the capacity of doing work done. Okay, so what is its meaning? Actually, the meaning of the line is, if a body has sufficient work done, sorry, if a body has sufficient energy to do some work, then the work is completed by the body easily. But if the body have no sufficient energy to do some work, then the work does not completed by the body. Okay, so we can say actually to do some work done, we have to sufficient energy. Okay, this is the basic concept of two term. First one is work done and second one is energy. Okay, now we have to know what is the main points in this part. Actually, the main topic in this chapter, first one is what is machine, and the second one is functioning of machine, and the third one is MA, that means mechanical advantage of machine, and the fourth one is different types of machine, and the fifth is some basic uses of machine. Today we actually discuss the first two portions. Okay, first one is what is machine, and the second one is functioning of machine. Okay, so first is what is machine. Actually, what is machine? In generally, to do some hard work, we use machine. Okay, so machine is generally used to do some hard work in short time, or we can say in less in less time, and also less effort. Okay, and some part of the machine is moving, or there is some part which is not moved. Okay, so this is the definition of machine. And machine has actually machine has two types. First one is actually lever, and the second one is inclined plane. Okay, in the two types, actually in these two types, there is some machines like pulley, wedge, screw, and etc. Okay, these are the examples of simple machine. Now, why we need machine? Okay, so the next question is actually why we need machine. So, to give the answer of this question, actually, uh, we take some points. Okay, first one is we need machine to do hard work in less time, and the second one is to do hard work in less effort, and third one is actually to do some work easily, okay, and etc. Now these are the key points of machine. So the next question actually, what is the function or what are the functions of machine? Okay, so functioning of machine. Actually, there are two functions of machine. First one is changing the magnitude of force. Okay, so what is an example of changing the magnitude of force? Actually, if we take a bottle opener, okay, opener, and we use the bottle opener to open a cork of a bottle, then there is a change of magnitude of force. In this case, actually, force is magnified, okay, by the bottle opener, and we can easily open a bottle or open the cork of a bottle. Okay, so these are the first function of machine. And what are the next function of machine? Actually, the next function is the second function, changing the direction of, sorry, changing the direction of force. So what is the example of this point? Actually, to understand the point, we take an example which is hand pump. Okay, if we take a hand pump and we use hand pump to pull some water from underground, then we can change the direction of force. In this case, actually, the weight of the water of underground water is in, actually, if we take this is underground water which is pulled by a hand pump, then the weight of the underground water in downward direction, this is weight, and water is pulled in that direction which is upward. Okay, so this point is change the direction of force. Okay, so here we discuss actually the 2 points. First one is changing the magnitude of force, Example is bottle opener, which can use to open a bottle or open the cork of a bottle. And the second one is changing the direction of force. One example is hand pump. Okay. So today we discuss this portion. In this portion, the key points, or we can say in this portion, the final wrap up, or we can take the points. First one is work done, definition. Second one is energy. This is also definition with examples. With some examples, definition with examples. And the third one is what is machine, and the fourth one is why we need machine, and the fifth one is functioning functioning of machine with explanation with the help of examples. Okay, so this is the end of today's class. In the next class, we discuss about mechanical advantage of simple machine and some different types of simple machine like pulley, wedge, etc. Okay,